Hello, I'm Janet Legg.
And I'm Natalie Eggins.
And together with our fabulous teams, we deliver the ACT online qualifications, assessments and training.
These globally recognised qualifications have helped thousands of professionals start their career in treasury and advance to strategic leadership roles in their organisations.
Our qualifications are forward-thinking and relevant and will provide you with all the knowledge and skills needed to excel in every level of your career.
Here's a quick snapshot of how it works.
Our qualifications recognise previous experience and studies, and you may be able to fast track onto a higher level.
Once you've chosen the qualification that's right for you, you can start whenever you're ready using our online resources.
Throughout the course, you are not alone. We provide support through webinars, podcasts, quizzes and practice exams, as well as online discussions, tutor support and forums.
We also offer online training for your personal development needs, gaining practical skills to make a real impact at work.
All our assessments are delivered online using remote invigilation, so you can even sit them from the comfort of your own home. Simply book your assessment when you are ready.
Once qualified and become a member, you'll be eligible to use the ACT Designatory letters, a mark of distinction that certifies your commitment to the highest professional standards.
Our friendly programme managers are here to help at any time.
We look forward to welcoming you to the ACT.